All right, everyone, this is Vishal from Equity Guru, and welcome to Chart Attack. Silver bulls, we called this in a previous video. We talked about this major support zone at $22 on that weekly chart. I covered this actually months ago. Well, let's see, when I say months ago, I mean August of 2020, actually. We covered that breakout, so maybe a year ago, and we've been waiting for this retest a second time. We did see this late in the year, and we called that bounce. And now we're talking about this bounce here that happened late September. And we were watching that daily chart for our trigger. I had our resistance level here at 2273. And the key was that breakout, which we finally got with that body right there, right? So that's the kind of stuff we like to see for breakouts. Sometimes patience, it pays off because you get in, it looks like it's about to take off, and you get slapped down. And I know this stopped some people out, but now we got a trigger. That was our large daily candle on silver, and this actually happened when the inflation data came out higher than expected, and it was based on food and energy costs rising. So I said in the past on our Discord channel and also over on Equity Guru Market Moment, but I think that inflation trade could be beginning, and is also why maybe even cryptos are getting a bit of pop, and we'll talk about that in just a bit. But maybe some of you are rather team gold, team silver, but I think, both assets are great. I'm not picking sides, but you guys know I love my silver and gold, and we took a trade. So we went long silver with that confirmed breakout, and I did also mention that trend line in that previous chart attack video, and the day after that was confirmed with that breakout there. And then again, if you're part of the Discord or if you watch that video, we did hint at, okay, there's a possible chance that instead of just ripping, right, breakouts there's always a pullback, and we get a retest. So for 2 days, we hovered over that trend line, but buyers were stepping in on that trend line. And I think the 4 hour sort of tells you, I mean, look at that, folks. That's just like almost picture perfect how you got those wicks indicating buyers stepping in on that trend line there. And then you got that breakout here with the higher high this morning. We took off. We went slightly over $24, and we have now pulled down. But as a swing trader, folks, I am bullish. I really like what we've seen here. And again, this is more of a longer term hold, a swing trade. But in the downtrend, we had lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. And now that trend is over. So we expect to see the same, but now in reverse, in an uptrend with higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. Long-term target, we're looking at around the $28 zone. But I think let's just, keep our eyes open, or keep our charts open, I guess, and see what happens when price hits the $24 to $25 zone, like $24.90 to $25. Let's use that as our first sort of resistance point, because I think 25 is a pretty important whole number for silver. But again, just long term now, as long as we remain above this daily candle here, we've nestled our stop losses below that, so at 22.40, and we are just going to be riding this and entering on breaks like that. So we can maybe take another entry today. We'll take a look at that, and we just ride this now as we continue higher. And hopefully gold does the same and breaks out of its flag pattern here. But silver looking good. We called this last week. If you guys were viewing that video, you knew the triggers, and hopefully you jumped in with us. And this is now a new bull uptrend for silver based on inflation and just the technicals in general. All right, folks. So that's it for me. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. And be sure to follow us in all our social media links provided in the description box below. But more importantly, I want to know what you guys think about silver. Are you guys bullish? Is this the reversal that all us silver bulls have been waiting for? I really want to hear from you guys, so let me know in the comments below. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.